Stop. What if I told you the thing destroying your focus right now isn't laziness? It isn't a lack of motivation. It isn't even your phone. It's a chemical your brain is secretly begging for every 10 seconds. And by the end of this video, you'll never look at your phone the same way again. Meet Timmy. Timmy woke up today with one mission: be productive. He even made a to-do list: study, exercise, clean his room, finally start that side project he's been starting for 6 months. Everything was going perfectly. Until his phone buzzed. "I'll check it for 5 seconds, Timmy said. 45 minutes later, Timmy knew the full backstory of a raccoon that stole a pizza, the 10 richest dogs on the internet, and exactly why hydraulic press videos are strangely satisfying. His to-do list stayed untouched. His motivation was gone. His brain was already asking for more. Here's the part that should scare you. Timmy wasn't even enjoying it anymore. The video stopped being funny 10 minutes ago. But he couldn't stop scrolling. Why? Because his brain wasn't chasing happiness. It was chasing dopamine. And dopamine isn't the happy chemical like everyone says. It's closer to your brain's do that again button. Every notification, every random video, your brain whispers, "Ooh, maybe the next one is even better." So you swipe again and again. It's the exact same mechanism as a slot machine. You're not addicted to winning. You're addicted to not knowing if you will. Your brain is wired to crave uncertainty because uncertainty means the next scroll might be the good one. That's precisely why it's so hard to stop. Now watch what happens next. Timmy finally closes the app, opens his textbook, reads one sentence, yawns, stares at the ceiling, stares at the wall, stares at his phone. Maybe just one more video. Here's what's actually happening. Timmy's brain spent the morning eating mental candy, fast, sugary, effortless hits of stimulation. So now real work tastes like plain broccoli in comparison. Not because studying got harder, because his brain got used to rewards showing up every 10 seconds and nothing else can compete with that speed. Think about the math your brain is doing without you even noticing. A video gives you a dopamine hit in 15 seconds. Getting in shape takes months. Learning an instrument takes months. Building something real takes years. Your brain runs the comparison instantly, and it always bets on the faster payout. Timmy wasn't lazy. His reward system had simply been hijacked by something optimized to hijack it. The good news is, brains are shockingly good at readapting. You just have to retrain the wiring on purpose. Here's exactly how. First, make distractions annoying to reach. Phone across the room, notifications off. Delete the one app you open without even deciding to. If it takes 10 extra seconds to reach it, you'll be stunned how often you simply don't bother. Second, practice being bored on purpose. Waiting for food. Don't reach for your phone. Standing in line. Just stand there. Boredom isn't empty time. It's the exact space where your brain generates ideas, solves problems, and actually thinks. You're not wasting that time. You're finally giving your brain room to work. Third, flip the order of the reward. Don't scroll, then work. Work, then scroll. Finish the chapter, then watch the video. Finish the workout, then check the messages. You're not banning dopamine, you're just making your brain earn it instead of front-loading it for free. A few weeks later, Timmy wasn't a transformed productivity machine. He still got distracted sometimes. He still laughed at dumb videos. He still lost 15 minutes to a duck outrunning a police officer. Don't ask. But something had changed. He was the one deciding when to stop, not the app. That's the entire difference. The goal was never to kill dopamine. It's to stop letting the cheapest version of it quietly decide how you spend your one life. Your attention is the most valuable thing you own. Every mindless swipe spends a little bit of it and you don't get it back. So next time your brain whispers just one more video, ask yourself one question. Who's actually in control, you or the algorithm? Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. I'll see you in the next one.